The GQ Best Stuff box is back for spring, and spring and winter are usually my favorite boxes, so let's see what exciting things are in this box. First up, we have the 4 Laps Athletic Tee. It came with a code which I redeemed online for a large shirt. Next up, we got this Demon Slayer-like pattern quick dry towel by Slow Tide. I'm gonna keep this one in my car for emergencies. We have our first toiletry item with the Crew 3-in-1 bath wash. This one has a super strong tea tree smell, so it's super nice. This one was interesting. This was a magnetic pop socket that you can customize. You could even use their AI tool to come up with something like this fire dragon, and you could even add text. Next toiletry item is this Symbiosis Eye Serum, which retails for an eye-watering $127. As we continue with more toiletry items, we have the Rhino Skin Repair Cream at an affordable $5.95. And the weirdest item in the box, the Modu Exfoliating Towel. For the Asians that know what this is, hello there. Last, we got the Glove in a Bottle Hand Shield Lotion. Super soft and was pretty nice. And that's it. What do you guys think? Does the GQ Best Stuff box bring the heat? Comment down below, and if you want the box, I'll have the links in the description.